Today, I want to introduce you to another simple way to implement SoulLink into your daily life, your after-stress recovery routine. Stressful moments don't always end when the moment itself is over. Sometimes your body continues carrying the pressure long after the conversation, situation, or responsibility has passed. Using SoulLink for an after-stress recovery routine may help create a brief space where your system can begin settling after emotionally demanding or mentally overwhelming moments. Calming sensory experiences after periods of stress may help support emotional regulation and assist the nervous system in returning toward a more settled state. Here's a simple way to begin. Open SoulLink and adjust the duration to 5 minutes. Choose a music title that helps you feel calmer, more grounded, or emotionally settled. Then, if you would like, choose a video that helps your mind slow down and soften its focus. I always find myself choosing the video, Shores of Serenity, for this. Finally, if you would like, choose a frequency that supports your overall wellness goals. Then press Build Experience, then sit quietly, focus on your breath, and simply allow the experience to play while giving yourself a moment to decompress. Some people use this after work stress. Others use it after difficult conversations, overstimulation, emotional pressure, or mentally demanding situations. The goal is not avoiding stress. The goal is giving your system a supportive moment to recover before continuing forward. In your next message, I'll guide you through using SoulLink to transition out of the day and into a more restful evening state. All the best, Dr. Dawn Ella, your personal SoulLink advisor.